Well, hi guys, thanks again for joining me right now. In this upload, we got a lot to cover. We're going to share with you the ZR1X, that Quail Edition, uncovered. Also going to share with you some late night emails I was doing, and some of them are pretty crazy. Somebody's asking, hey, do you think the Grand Sport X will be available to start C9? No, and right now, I don't care. But first, we're going to talk about the constraints for the first order cycle for 2027 Corvettes. Now, don't think, and I wish that was the case, that just because we switched over to a new model year that there are no constraints. Well, they continue. They're causing much confusion, and they're already costing us business. We're also going to talk about some price increases on some notable options, with more pricing discussions to come in future uploads. So allocations were available in very small quantities to get things started, just to get stuff in the system. And I tell a lot of people, we said this a few times, everybody can't be first. I'm glad that you're excited. It just feels good to have a resurgence of excitement around Corvette again with the introduction of the Grand Sport and people now focusing again on Z06 and Stingray. So that's great, guys. I really do appreciate that. And we're going to have a great time promoting this car this year. But there's very minimal allocations for this first cycle for Grand Sport, Stingray, Z06, and ZR1, nothing for ZR1X. So in Grand Sport, that is the focused car of the year. And yes, we have constraints on the new color Admiral Blue. Only 66 available for the nation. 0 availability for the new pitch gray. Ground effects packages. Again, this is in carbon flash, so if you want to do that extension, I've got ways to get around that because your side skirt's going to be as such, so there's a way to kind of manipulate that a little bit. That's 0 availability. When it comes to the ground effects, whether it's finished off in carbon flash, which is still made out of carbon fiber, or the visible carbon fiber, there are constraints. The visible carbon fiber, which will give you the side skirts and that front extension for the splitter, is 0 availability on Grand Sport. Painted in carbon flash, there's 17 available for the country. Looking at Stingray, the T0A spoiler is 0 availability. Admiral Blue is 0. Pitch Gray is 0. Those are the only constraints for Stingrays. Looking at Z06, a number of constraints there. Of course, Admiral Blue and Pitch Gray are 0 availability. The carbon flash extension in the front, that ground effects package, if you're not getting a high wing, 52 available for the country. Now again, that's without the high wing. However, there are high wings available, so you'll get that part of the high wing package in carbon flash. There are 60 available for the country. In regards to the visible carbon fiber high wing, only 16 available. Now without the high wing, if you want the ground effects and visible carbon fiber, the front extension of the side skirts, there's 24 available of those in Z06 for this first cycle of 2027. ZR1, Admiral Blue 0. Pitch Gray, the new Pitch Gray. We showed you, if you haven't seen that, we did a video on that, just happened to be out front of the Bowling Green Assembly Plant office. Check out that link in the very first comment down below. Other good links down in there, people that we do business with, products that I put on my car, there's discount codes in there. Check out all those links in the very first comment down below. Even an opportunity to win a Corvette. How about that? Actually, I think one of them is you can win 2 Corvettes, so definitely check out those links down below. Back to ZR1 again, Admiral Blue 0, Pitch Gray 0. If you're lucky enough to get a ZR1 allocation, high wings are going to be at 42. Without the high wing, only 8 cars are allocated. And once again, I've lost count. Is it 6 or 7 months? If you want the 10-piston brakes, so if you want the full-blown ZTK track package, 0 availability across the entire board for every dealer in the country on the first cycle of 2027 ordering. Let's look at some prices on some of the notable options and some small increases there. And again, we're going to do another pricing video and go through just about everything for you guys. But here's some notables increases. The personalized plaque is going to go up $100 to $395. Color combo override for the longest time was like $590, and it's you can't take a 3LT and put it on a 2LT. It's not like that. It's color combo overrides. For example, red interior on a yellow, that's a combo override. You could do that before for $590. It's now $1,495 to do a combo override. Front lift has increased $400 to $29.95. Museum deliveries up again another couple $100 to $16.95. Keep in mind, you still pay the $24.95 destination on every car, whether it's going across the street or if it's going to California. Now for Stingray folks, if you like that low spoiler, you can get that. Even if you get a Z51, you override that and get that TVS low spoiler, or non-Z51 folks get that just to kind of finish off that back end. That's a $400 price increase this year for 27, now $995 on your cars. And if you're getting a painted color caliper, another increase there of $100 to $795. $145 increase if you're getting Z06 or ZR1 and you want the outside visible carbon fiber mirrors. In fact, I'm going to be doing a separate video on that. It's now $13.95 for those carbon fiber mirror caps on there. Engine appearance package is up $200 to $18.95. The 3-stanchion high wing that we did a lot of focus on, a lot of people are enjoying that. It's up to $2,075 now. Level 1 carbon fiber, the FA5 code is up $295, so that is going to be $17.95. Level 2 carbon fiber is up $295 as well to $52.95. Stealth interior package is up $100 to $695. I am going to do another video just on all the pricing for you guys, some of the options and things like that. There's so many, lots of accessories, but there is a lot of options available on the car. And it looks like the PCQ, where you get the front grille guards and the side inlet protection, that's going to be available on Stingray. I saw in the pricing sheet of $13.75. That's a great value, and that's coverage that I think that you need in those areas. And when we do the pricing video, we're going to talk about this FEY track package for the Grand Sport. That's $20,695. Wow. All right, speaking of wow, coming up in just a second, I'm going to unveil and show you the Quail Edition and that special blade silver matte paint uncovered. It's nice, some of you will say, hey Rick, I want to come by and see you, but what's your day off? I said, well, technically it's supposed to be Wednesday, but I don't ever really truly get a day off. I tried to do some regular people stuff, but what did I say a couple of months ago here on the channel? Just acknowledging, I mean, you guys see it, but really truly, Corvette is my life. So, hey, welcome to my day. And it's nice to come in your day off and see some more babies here ready to go. Somebody, these are all sold, somebody is ready to stop dreaming and start driving. Now, we showed you the limited edition, the rarest 2026 Corvette when it came off the truck, that it was bizarre to us, $10,190 to ship that car right there, the ZR1X Quail Edition. Now, when they dropped it off, it was early in the morning, and of course it was all covered up, and all we saw was the door. You could still see some accent of that beautiful matte paint that's only available on this car, the ZR1X, and only on the Quail Edition car. We don't know the final number. We should see that soon. We're guessing 50-ish. If so, this is number 20 of that limited Quail Edition car. And this does have what has been on national constraint for the regular ZR1s for 6 months, the 10-piston brakes, the true ZTK package with that big wing. That thing is huge. I had somebody look at this the other day and they go, you know what? I've seen it online, but they're like, oh my God, you've seen it in person? They're like, that thing is huge. I know it's cool, isn't it? But this car is beautiful. It is stunning what they've done with it. I've just walked around the paint, looking at it. We'll share some B-roll footage for you guys here in just a little bit, walking up on the paint, trying to accent some of these different body lines and see how the sun hits it. I'm so glad that we have a sunny day to show this off. Our customer will be here shortly. And here's another tip from your buddy Rick. I've seen so many people, especially this car, they don't want, there's a special paint care for it, and they don't want you touching the paint. But what do? You go to car shows, you have a car like this in your showroom, but people put, do not touch, please do not touch. No, people are gonna touch because people are stupid, they're gonna touch. You don't do that. Here's what you do. Ah, yeah, that works. Sensitive paint, do not touch, and then thank them. That's right, you have to get into the mindset of the people that are intrigued by you telling them not to touch it. That's exactly what they want to do, is touch it. But when you tell them it's sensitive paint, they're like, oh, I've done that many times. And I get Corvette people to go, whoa, hey man, what's up with the paint? It says it was just painted or something? It says sensitive paint, not to touch it. Well, mission accomplished. So there you go. Make those signs for your car shows. Look at it from this vantage point. when the light hits it, it really bounces that sheen of this matte finish. Let's look inside here real quick. Now this thing is beautiful. I wish I could take, maybe we'll go on that side. I wanted to take all the plastic off, but we did not prep this the way that I normally do. Our customer, and I respect that, he said, don't touch it. I didn't even take it down to gas it up. I'll let him do that. Here in the sun you can see some of the subtle orange stitching, orange seat belt, deeper gray center cut, lighter sky cool gray on the outside, a little bit deeper gray on your A pillar, underside of the roof, and going back behind the seats on the B pillar. Beautifully done. This Quail Edition ZR1X limited edition car. Hey guys, I don't even know if this will make it to the channel. I just wanted to share, my attempt was to share with you a little bit that goes on behind the scenes. I'm here on my day off. I got here at 6:30 in the morning. It's currently 8:45 in the evening. I've been with customers all day long. I'm doing, there's more coming in. I'm doing as many emails as I can, and I've just felt so guilty because I do all this by myself. Many people that we've had on the list for years, now that the car's here, I mean, there's nothing that we could have done earlier. People keep asking, when's it coming? When do you think it's coming? Well, now we got the announcement on the car, the Grand Sport, the motor. We got options, colors, all that kind of stuff. Now we're starting to get people ready to go with ordering and trying to realign my lists, who actually wants a car, and really focus our time and efforts on those people. There's been a lot of fresh emails that have come in that I haven't had a chance to get to, and I'm committed tonight, even if it takes me till 1 o'clock in the morning to answer all those emails to kind of give me a reset, get a fresh start here for the middle of the month, and keep things moving forward for you guys. But I thank you for your understanding. The Grand Sport X people, keep in mind that's a Q3 start for ordering. We have no official dates on any production start for 2027 Corvette. So I'm concerned about that. I have some guesses, but that doesn't put you behind the wheel. I know you want more definitive answers. I'm just looking through these emails, and some of them are pretty crazy. Somebody's asking, hey, do you think the Grand Sport X will be available to start C9? No, and right now, I don't care. I'm trying to just take care of today's business to now. It is, oh my goodness, just overwhelming. But it's good because, you know what, this is done, this resurgence, whether it's people looking at 26s or looking to order a 27, it just, everybody's kind of excited again. And we haven't had this kind of excitement since the beginning of the launch of C8. So this kind of feels good. So I want to do all I can to be there, to answer these questions, to get you guys in line, to have an opportunity to do business, and really just to make your purchase experience informed, but make it easy and to make it fun.